Stop scrolling. What if I told you there are gadgets that can save you time, space, and even make cooking fun in 2025? From genius kitchen tools to smart home must haves, we've rounded up 24 game changing gadgets that'll make your life easier and your home smarter. Ready to upgrade your everyday? Let's jump in. The Joseph Folding Tabletop Ironing Board is the ultimate space-saving solution for your home. With its innovative folding design, it's compact yet practical, featuring a built-in compartment to neatly store your iron. The board includes a convenient hanging hook for easy storage and a high-performance cover with drip lock technology for smooth, efficient ironing. Designed for versatility and ease, this ironing board makes tackling your laundry a seamless experience. The Alpaca electric fireplace heater combines cozy warmth with a charming 3D LED flame effect, creating a dust-free, smoke-free ambiance for any indoor space. With 4 customizable modes and an adjustable thermostat, it's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Its portable, lightweight design makes it easy to move, while double safety protections, including tip-overs and overheat sensors, ensure secure use. Stylish and energy efficient, this heater is as functional as it is decorative. The Bunyata electric mason jar vacuum sealer is a compact, powerful tool designed to preserve food freshness effortlessly. With its durable battery and strong suction, it seals wide and regular mouth mason jars in seconds, locking in flavors and nutrients. Perfect for home chefs, it's portable, versatile, and comes with essential accessories, making it ideal for canning, sealing, or marinating. The Tonix bathroom trash can combines sleek design with smart technology for a cleaner, more efficient space. With its motion sensor lid, it opens effortlessly and seals tightly to lock in odors, while the compact, waterproof design fits perfectly in narrow spaces like bathrooms or offices. Durable and stylish, it ensures a hygienic and clutter-free environment, with features like a garbage bag fix ring for a neat appearance. The Wakwa heavy-duty shower filter offers powerful filtration to remove hard water, chlorine, heavy metals, and more, improving your skin, hair, and overall shower experience. Made with 100% real filtration media, it delivers clean, spa-like water while reducing issues like dryness and limescale buildup. Durable and easy to install, this family pack includes 2 filters, ensuring long-lasting performance and universal compatibility for any shower type. The Chefman Fry Guide Deep Fryer is the perfect compact solution for crispy, delicious frying at home. With a 1-liter capacity, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or family gatherings. Its adjustable temperature control ensures perfect results for fries, chicken, donuts, and more. The Cool Touch stainless steel exterior adds safety, while the removable, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. The durable and easy to use, it's designed for fast, mess-free frying every time. The Black Plus Decker compact refrigerator combines style and practicality in a sleek, space-saving design. Perfect for dorms, offices, or small apartments, this 1.7 cubic kit mini fridge offers efficient cooling with a removable glass shelf, door storage for beverages, and a compact freezer for ice packs or frozen snacks. Convenient features like a reversible door, adjustable temperature control, and ultra-quiet operation make it a versatile and reliable choice for any space. The Kasa Smart Light Switch provides seamless control and convenience for your home lighting. This set of single-pole switches works with both Alexa and Google Home, allowing for hands-free voice commands with easy installation guided by the Kasa app. It offers remote control via your smartphone and customizable scheduling. The away mode feature helps enhance security by randomly turning lights on and off. UL certified for safety, these durable switches are a trusted solution for upgrading your home with smart, reliable functionality. The Rubot Smart Air Purifier is designed to improve air quality in large rooms, effectively capturing airborne particles like dust, pollen, and smoke with its HEPA filter. You can control it easily through an app or voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, adjusting settings such as fan speed, modes, and timers. It offers a quiet sleep mode for peaceful rest and monitors air quality in real time with a built-in sensor. And this purifier is ideal for creating a cleaner, fresher environment in your home, bedroom, or office. The Hitsion Couch Cup Holder Tray is a versatile and practical organizer for your couch, bed, car, or office. Made from durable, non-toxic silicone and bamboo, it features a waterproof surface that resists spills and ensures long-term use without deforming. With a rotating phone holder and compartments for drinks, snacks, remotes, and more, it keeps everything within easy reach. This compact tray is perfect for enjoying a relaxed evening, and its non-slip design ensures stability on various surfaces. Ideal for home, travel, or the office, it adds both functionality and style to any space. The Omaton Reading Pillow offers exceptional comfort and support for activities like reading, working, or gaming in bed or on the sofa. Designed with a memory foam filling, it conforms to your body to alleviate strain on your shoulders and arms, promoting relaxation and preventing fatigue. Its versatile design also functions as a lap desk, armrest, and nursing pillow, making it ideal for various uses. The soft, breathable fabric and removable cover make it easy to clean, while the sturdy, stable base ensures support for laptops, books, and more. Enjoy a relaxed and comfortable experience with this thoughtfully designed pillow. The Tabiak Dehumidifier is a compact and efficient solution for reducing humidity in small rooms, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, and closets. Designed to operate quietly, it creates a peaceful environment while effectively removing excess moisture from the air. With a colorful light feature, it can also enhance the ambiance in your space. Its easy-to-empty water tank and auto shut-off protection ensure convenience and safety. The portable design makes it easy to place in various locations, offering an effective and energy-efficient way to improve air quality and comfort in your home. The Racel handheld vacuum offers a lightweight and portable design, making it ideal for both car and home cleaning. With a powerful brushless motor, it provides strong suction to tackle various debris, including dust, crumbs, and pet hair. The vacuum is equipped with a fast-charging USB-C port, ensuring quick recharges and long-lasting performance. Its 2-in-1 tool allows for easy access to tight spaces, while the built-in LED light ensures thorough cleaning, even in dark corners. Featuring low-noise operation and washable filters, this vacuum delivers efficient and quiet cleaning without disrupting your environment. The Sinwat Couch Arm Tray is a practical solution for adding convenience and functionality to your couch or sofa. This foldable tray features a 360 DG rotating phone holder, allowing you to enjoy videos and use your devices hands-free. It's perfect for holding drinks, snacks, remote controls, and phones, making it an ideal companion for relaxed lounging. The tray's adjustable design fits various sofa armrests, creating a stable surface without taking up extra space. With its non-slip silicone base and sturdy bamboo frame, the tray ensures stability and comfort, while an extra silicone strip adds security for phones and tablets. The Green Oak heated blanket offers a safe and energy-efficient way to stay warm during colder months. Designed with overheat protection and ETL certification, it ensures peace of mind while in use. The blanket features multiple heat levels and adjustable timers, allowing you to customize your warmth according to personal preference. Made from soft flannel and Sherpa materials, it provides comfort and coziness, while the sleek design complements any home decor. This versatile heated throw is perfect for use on the couch, in the bedroom, or at the office, offering both warmth and style. The Asak Yuki Essential Oil Diffuser is a versatile and quiet aromatherapy device designed to enhance your environment. It features a large, easy-to-clean water tank, multiple misting modes, and soothing LED lights, all controlled conveniently via a remote. With an ultra-quiet fan, it ensures a peaceful atmosphere whether you're working, reading, or relaxing. The diffuser also includes a safety auto-sweep and timer options for added convenience. Made from BPA-free materials, it's a safe and thoughtful gift perfect for any space needing a touch of tranquility. The Gazoon over-the-toilet storage cabinet is a stylish and practical addition to any bathroom. Designed to save space, it offers ample storage with a 2-door cabinet and an adjustable shelf, perfect for keeping toiletries organized and accessible. Made from durable engineered wood, it features a sleek modern finish that complements any bathroom decor. The cabinet's easy-to-clean surface and anti-tip fittings ensure both longevity and safety, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Assembly is quick and simple, making this a functional and elegant solution for bathroom storage needs. The Handler Corner Shower Caddy offers a quick and easy installation with its clip-buckle design and adjustable telescopic rod for a stable setup. This rust-proof stainless steel organizer features 4 baskets, including deep and shallow options to hold various shower essentials like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It also includes a towel bar, hooks, and a flat tray. For smaller items, maximizing your bathroom storage, designed to fit showers of varying heights. It ensures an organized and efficient space, and its durable construction guarantees long-lasting use in humid environments. The Maxio Yo folding sofa bed is a versatile and space-saving solution for small living spaces. It easily transforms from a comfortable sofa into a cozy bed, making it perfect for lounging, reading, or hosting guests. The included headrest and lumbar pillow offer added support, ensuring comfort during long periods of sitting or reclining. Made with shredded foam filling, the mattress molds to your body for personalized comfort, while the durable corded fabric adds a stylish touch. Ideal for compact rooms, this foldable bed is a practical and comfortable option for one person. The Smuxy Nesting Coffee Table set is a practical and stylish addition to any living room, bedroom, or small space. With its sleek, round design and sturdy construction, these tables feature a beautiful combination of a wood grain top and a matte black metal base. The nesting design allows the tables to be stacked together, saving space when not in use, while also providing flexibility for different arrangements. Ideal for use as coffee tables or side tables, these versatile pieces offer both aesthetic appeal and functional storage for a variety of settings. The Vecchia King Bed Wedge Pillow is a practical and comfortable solution for closing the gap between your bed and headboard, preventing pillows, pets, or toys from falling. Crafted from high-density foam and a soft polyester cover, this wedge provides both comfort and support. It also includes 2 side pockets for convenient storage of small items like remotes or phones. Ideal for a tidy and peaceful sleep, it's a great addition to your bed with easy maintenance thanks to its removable, washable cover. The Corelle Vitrelle soup/cereal bowls are perfect for any kitchen, offering a timeless design that suits every occasion. Crafted from triple-layer glass, these bowls are built to resist chips and cracks, ensuring long-lasting durability. They're easy to maintain with a non-porous surface that makes cleaning a breeze. Lightweight and stackable, they save space and are a practical addition to your dinnerware, ideal for soups, ramen, cereal, and more. Plus, they are microwave and dishwasher safe, offering ultimate convenience. The CN Glass large glass coffee mugs feature a double wall design that keeps your beverages hot while keeping your hands cool, preventing burns. Made from hand-blown borosilicate glass, these mugs are lightweight yet durable, 100% lead and BPA-free. They offer excellent insulation, keeping your coffee warm longer, and also work well for cold drinks. Microwave and dishwasher safe, they are easy to clean and built to last. With an elegant, clear design, these mugs come in a gift box, making them a perfect present for coffee lovers. The Mikux Glass Cooking Pot is a high-quality, heat-resistant saucepan made from food-grade borosilicate glass, offering a healthier alternative to plastic or stainless steel cookware. With its clear design, you can easily monitor your food while it cooks, and the pot is safe to use on electric infrared stoves, ovens, refrigerators, microwaves, and dishwashers. It features a large capacity, making it ideal for preparing baby food, milk, sauce, or instant noodles. The pot and its lid are easy to clean and built to withstand temperatures from freezing to high heat, providing versatile and convenient cooking.